And after two close encounters in our first two matchups, we are finally down to the final game day on this triple header Wednesday as we come to you live from the San Andres Sports Complex in the city of Manila for the Sinag Lakas 40 3.0 in Sinag Liga Asia. This is our third ball game of the day. And after those two grueling matchups, we finally come down to our main event, taking a look at Yancy De Ocampo, the former PBA #1 pick. In their previous matchup, 25 points, shooting an efficient 78% from the field and 11 of 13 from 2 points. Also with 19 boards, itong si Yancy De Ocampo dominated in that previous game. And tingnan naman natin dito, Richie Melencio making his debut for the Tropang Sea Lions, a member of the four-peat of that UST UAAP squad in the 90s. Coming into this ball game dito after playing in Sinag Lakas 40 1.0. As we take a look at the game at hand, this is Skytrack Tito Rexes going up against the Tropang CH. And once again, a good evening to all the basketball fans watching out there. The name is Aaron D. And joining me today for our third game is none other than Boss Ray Alao. So Boss Ray, good evening po sa inyo and welcome back.
Yes, good evening sa lahat ng nanonood ng Sinag Liga Asia. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nandito ngayon sa live. At thank you po sa game na to. Abangan nyo po yung bakbakan to kasi may Richie Melencio ka sa kabila at may Yancy De Ocampo ka. Pukpukan to mamaya.
Yan, so tama yung sinabi ni Boss Ray. A lot of history on both of these teams. Pero meron pa kaming isang member on the sidelines. That's Miss Flo Del Agua, who is gonna be our courtside reporter. You're gonna be hearing more from her mamaya. Pero let's move on naman dun sa social media pages natin at Facebook and Instagram. At Sinag Liga Asia, nandyan po kami. Hit that follow button, hit that like button before you go. Everything you need to know is there. Tapos sa YouTube and TikTok naman namin at Sinag Liga TV. Everything you need to know, all the game coverages, the game lives are there. As we move on naman dun sa team standings natin, nasan ba yung mga maglalaban ngayon? Tingnan natin dito, the Skytrack X Tito Rexes at 5-2. Meanwhile, the Tropang Sea Lions 3H at 4-2 naman. They're really at the upper levels of our tournament dito. So, really gonna be an important matchup for them in today's ball game. But we move on naman dun sa game story natin. What is going to be happening in this game today, and that's for both of these teams to return to their winning ways, as both of these teams now trying to get back on the winning track in today's ball game. Gonna be very important para sa kanila, Boss Ray, no?
Actually, yung sinabi mong yun, talagang kaabang-abang tong dalawang team na to. Bakit ka mo? Nagdagdag ang Sea Lions ng mga players ngayon. Dahil alam nila, itong Tito Rex, Skytrack, hindi basta-basta to. Diba? Dahil yung additional na yan si De Ocampo kamo yan. Hindi yun biro na role player lang, kundi isa to sa mga kabang-abang kung paano didepensa ng Sea Lions.
And of course, aabangan natin yan, no? The star power of both of these teams. Luwabad on your screens. Meanwhile, it's the Tropang Sea Lions. But coming up shortly, itong Skytrack Tito Rexes going up against the Tropang 3HC Lions as we give it over to Ram Valid, our game announcer, for the starting lineups.
Good evening once again, sports fans, and we're coming to you live inside the San Andres Sports Complex, the city of Manila. Welcome to Sinag Lakas 40 3.0. Presented to you by Sinag Liga Asia and co-presented by Okada Manila and Hotel 101 Global. We're also live at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Powered by SLA Production and Converge. And also to all Broadcast partners Blast TV, Top Sports, Fiber TV, and Cable Link. This is our last game for tonight. The battle between Skytrack Aviation T2 Rexes and your Tropang 3H Sea Lions. It's time to meet the starting lineups of the protagonists. First for your Skytrack Aviation T2 Rexers. Point guard number 1, Lou Abad. Shooting guard number 13, Kai Galvez. At center number 95, Yan Zidio Campo. Power forward number 40, Hil Lualhati. And the other forward number 8, Eric Damian. Skytrack Aviation T2 Rexes is led by Coach Ernest Jordan Rayalo, assisted by Kim DiPedro, Jasper Magno, BJ DiPedro, and MJ Mercado. Team manager Mr. Eric Damian, and team owner and Mr. Jobel Yuga. Team owner is Mr. Jesse Herger. Your Skytrack Aviation T2 Rexes. And now let's meet the starters for your Tropang 3H Sea Lions. Point guard number 25, June Ilorza. Shooting guard number 2, Edgar Ting. And forward number 6, June Pañares. The other forward number 29, Alrica Franca. And center number 77, Enor Navolta. Tropang 3H Sea Lions is led by Coach Winnie Arboleda, assisted by James Ligayada, Danny Billones, team manager Mr. Mike Contreras and Mr. Max Santos. Assistant team manager is Mr. Vin Valictar. Team owner is Mr. Jimwell Laron and Mr. Richie Valencio. Your Tropang 3H Sea Lions. Game officials are Jess Boros, Shaw Olaf, Dennis Stolik, Jesse Diaz, and Henry Espayos.
As we take a look at the starting line of Skytrack, going with Abad Galvez, De Ocampo, Luwalhati, and Damian. Meanwhile, Tropang Sea Lions with Elorza, Ting, De Jesus Pañares, and Rica Franca. Once again, a good evening to all the basketball fans watching out there. Aaron D joined by Boss Ray Alaw as my analyst, and on the sidelines, it's Flo Del Agua.
Bali, Aaron, kinicheck nila yung lineup. As per our official, si Boy Quisido. So, kinaklaro lang para sure ball yung magiging bakbakan ngayon. Kasi, siyempre, lamang nga naman yung hindi na ilagay yung lineup tapos maglalaro ngayon, di ba? O, tingnan natin kung anong masasabi ng official natin.
Tama na, Boss Ray. Palagi natin binabanggit dito na sa Sinag, we have to follow the rules, no? Some clarifications being done dito by our staff here at Sinag Liga Asia on the lineup. So,
Kasi matutuwa ka, Aaron eh. Ito si Lions, biglang, alam mo yun, ang daming bagong player na talagang mga may sinasabi to eh, hindi biro.
pero before all of that, we're gonna be taking a short break for the clarifications and babalik po kami for the start of the ball game.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
And back after that clarification, Boss Ray, mukhang nag-clarify lang sila doon tungkol doon sa mga lineup natin.
Yes, actually, ganun talaga. Etong 15 lineup kasi, kailangan naipasa mo na yan 12 noon pa lang. Ngayon, kung hindi mo naipasa or kulang ka, tapos pinalitan mo ng walang abiso sa admin natin na si, I think, Denera Alaw Yusuyuki. Tapos hindi na iba to kay Mamulina. So magkakaroon talaga ng conflict yan. Ganun kasi kaigpit sila, Commissioner Rodi Santos at CEO natin na si Coach Leo Isaac.
And there, after that short break, we start the ball game. Pañares from 3. Wala yun, pero inside attack. That's De Jesus with the two-pointer.
Ang laking bagay niya kasi si Jesus talagang scorer na big man, di ba?
And Boss Ray, binabanggit mo dito na maraming additions itong Sea Lions. No, marami silang nadagdag dito ng mga star player din.
Totoo. Biro mo, sa mga iba-ibang team yan, puro mga scorer yan. Saka hindi basta-basta scorer, talagang may mga depensa rin.
As we see the Sea Lions taking it all the way, a two-pointer. Wala yun. Bakbakan sa rebound. And that ball is going back to the yellow shirts.
Umpisa pa lang, bakbakan na kagad.
And of course, Boss Ray, kailangan natin i-highlight the biggest player on the court. Itong si Yancy De Ocampo ng Skytrack. Ito naman, De Jesus, linabas dito. Baseline drive, back to De Jesus. No good. Luwalhati gets that ball. Here comes Sweet Lou Abad. Can't get that layup to go.
Talagang sinabayan siya. Dahil walang easy basket para si Lions.
Pañares naman, babawi with the two-pointer. Gets the friendly bounce. Forward pass. The fake, the drive, baseline. Lou Abad. No good on that shot. Yancy this time. One more serving para kay Yancy. Just 3 shirts around him. Another one. Third one is good and height is might, Boss Ray.
Ang laki naman ni Yancy doon. Saka marunong siyang gumamit eh. Alam niya kung paano i-finish pagka naka-rebound niya. Hindi niya binabato basta na lang. Alam mo yun, may pick dito, tapos timing. So yun ang maganda kay Yancy De Ocampo.
And of course, Yancy De Ocampo, a PBA veteran, scored 25 points in their previous game with 19 rebounds. Three-pointer from the corner. Edgar Ting hits it.
Yan ang nakakatakot niya kay Ting kasi mga ligan labas, napaka-shooter ng mama na yan. Kaya talagang hindi biro rin na kailangan di siya malibre basta-basta.
Galvez with a corkscrew for the two-pointer.
Mukhang gustong bumawi ni Galvez ngayon sa nakarang game niya, di ba? Alam na natin na napakamalas niya nung game na yon versus Fire Chief. Pero ngayon, talagang tinutok niya na. Easy 2 points.
And a good start for Kai Galvez. Getting that two-point shot to drop. 7-4 is the score. Sea Lions up by 3. Stolen by Abad. Here comes Galvez against Pañares with the bump. No good. Battle for that loose ball. Balik yun dito sa Sea Lions.
Yun din ang nakakatakot yan, si Lorsa, kasi mabilis. Alam mo yun, may steal mo man sa kanya. Babawi yan, didepensa yan. Kasi yun ang hinahanap sa kanya ng mga ibang teams.
Mas babalik nila dito kay Elorza. He's taking it down for the Sea Lion squad. Back to Pañares. Hounded. They give it back. Elorza. 12 on the shot clock. Pañares, corner 3. Short on that attempt. Battle for that loose ball. Galvez gets it.
Iba ang pinapakita ni Boss Galvez ngayon. Depensa, opensa, di ba?
Good energy for Galvez
Yes.
to start it. Pero yun na naman, De Ocampo to Luwalhati. Big to big.
Actually, yan ang gusto ni Yancy De Ocampo. Pag nasa akin ng bola, gumawa rin kayo ng way para malibre kayo kasi dinodouble o triple ako. Di ba?
And alam niya, no, Boss Ray, pag nasa kanya yung bola, talagang collapse lahat ng defense sa kanya.
Correct. Actually, yun ang hindi nila ginawa nung versus Partnership. Kaya nahirapan sila. Siyempre, alam mo naman yung mga coaches noon, may Ronald Tubid ka, may Eric De La Cuesta ka, na alam nila kung anong gagawin para hindi ganun kadali makascore ang isang Yancy De Ocampo.
Yancy De Ocampo, a key piece of this Skytrack team. As Luabad gets it. Binalik dito kay Galvez, but oh, it's a steal. Here they go. Galvez with a counter one. Counter steal. Ito na, Eric Damian, three-pointer. Knock it down!
Woo! Magandang gising ni Mr. Eric Damian, the hook.
And the Hook getting the first three-pointer for his team in this ballgame. Eric Damian making it rain. Tingnan natin dito one more time. The lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by Okada Manila. Eric Damian waking the crowd up and bringing this house to life. Timeout dito ang tatawagin. 9-7 is the score. Skytrack up by 2 points.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
And tingnan natin dito, the last game of the Sea Lions, they lost to the Fully Tech Saints 69-85. And tingnan natin dito, Boss Ray, 30% lang yung shooting nila doon. Napakababa yun, 23 of 76. Hirap na hirap sila makashoot in that ball game of theirs.
Yun ang kagandahan, di ba? After mong matalo, kailangan meron kang additional na ano bang gagawin natin next game, di ba? Hindi yung pag natalo na sisihan tayo dito, kakagulo tayo, di ba?
And of course, really trying to bounce back, but let's give it to Flo Del Agua for some information on Coach Winnie Arboleda of the Sea Lions.
Aaron and Boss Ray, pinag-uusapan nyo nga yung recent loss ng Sea Lions. Right after that game, head coach Winnie Arboleda recognized their shortcomings sa rebound department. Kaya naman to the rescue, ang kanilang newly activated playing coach na si Richie Melencio na handang-handa mag-perform ngayong araw. Dagdag ni Coach Win, mayroon man silang new players, it is still the same brotherhood as he called his team, Trupang Sea Lions. Makabawi kaya sila with this new addition? What do you think, Aaron and Boss Ray?
And Boss Ray, no, Coach mo, Winnie Arboleda, tas may player ka pa, Richie Melencio. Grabe yung history nitong team of the Sea Lions.
Iba talaga. Alam mo tong Sea Lions na to, ang daming pinapakitang kakaiba ni team owner Jimuel Laron, di ba? Kita mo naman lumabas na si Richie Melencio na biglang maglalaro ngayon. Tapos may isa ka pang legend na coach, di ba, sa pangunguna ni Winnie Arboleda.
Abad naman from the corner, knock it down!
Ibang klase naman si Sweet Lou.
An off-balance shot, no problem doon para kay Sweet Lou. 12-8 is the score. Apat ang lamang dito ng Skytrack. De Jesus out to Elorza. Give it to the corner. Edgar Ting, three-pointer. Short. But De Ocampo can't get that ball. Panyares sneaking through the defense.
Inikot-ikutan si Yancy doon, ni Panyares.
Hindi siya natakot doon kahit ang laki ni Yancy as Luwalhati has it.
Matagal na kasi magkalaban to, magkakampi. Talagang alam na nila yung galaw ng bawat isa.
De Ocampo. They're looking for Galvez. Driving to the left, kicking to the corner. Luwalhati, three. Wala yun, but the height of Yancy De Ocampo, too much once again.
Pasa daw, sabi ni Hilo Walate.
Parang alley-oop, no, Boss Ray?
Yes.
This time, it's a 4-point lead once again para sa Skytrack. 14-10, Elorza gets it. Binalik dito kay Panyares. June, driving. And he draws that foul, going to the line for 2 free throws. Itong si June Panyares din, no, Boss Ray? One of the scorers of the Sea Lions.
Nanginayang si Hilo Walate doon.
Tingnan natin dito. The lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Hotel 101 Global. Just like Boss Ray mentioned, parang alley-oop nga to, parang pasa ito kay Yancy.
Parang andali lang para kay Yancy noon, no? Pero kung sa iba, parang alam mo yun, fake pa, tapos mahirapan pa kasi mababox out siya. Hindi mo agad-agad mababox out sa laki niya, sa ganda ng katawan niya, tapos marunong pang gumamit, di ba?
And Boss Ray, kung ikaw si Winnie Arboleda or sabihin na lang natin kalaban mo itong si Yancy De Ocampo, how would you try to stop him or contain him knowing that, di ba, 6'8", 6'9", paano mo babantayin yung ganun?
Actually, parang 16 to si Yancy, di ba? Ang laki. Siguro, ilalabas mo sa paint or idodouble mo talaga. Ang problema lang, marunong kasi pumasok to si Yancy. Doon sila nahirapan sa partnership kasi walang kumakat at walang talagang humingi rin ng bola. Parang, sige, Yancy, bahala ka na dyan, kayang-kaya mo naman. So, aral yun sa Skytrack para baguhin nila yung style nila, di ba?
And of course, Skytrack trying to adjust with Yancy De Ocampo off. Out on the bench, binalik dito si Boss Joel Yuga, one of the scorers of this team. But take a look at who's entering the game, Boss Ray. Richie Melencio, the double-double machine. Former UST Growling Tiger in the ball game.
May Richie Melencio ka na, pumasok pa ang isang Nino Marquez na napaka-shooter din. Di ba? At napaka-galing na point guard din yan, ha? Hindi na basta shooter. Meron ka pang Rica Puente, grabe. De Jesus, di ba? At na si Bulldozer, Baltasar. Grabe yung 5 na to.
It's a complete team itong tropang Sea Lions as they get it to the right wing. Binalik kay De Jesus. Rica Fuente. 6 on the shot clock. Melencio binalik doon. Corner, triple. Knock it down.
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Pagka nalibre si Marquez, lista mo na.
Marquez getting his first triple of the ball game. The score 14-all. That's Kerabin. To Yuga. Binalik dito kay Sweet Lou. They're moving that ball around. A 3-point. No, that's a pass. To Baarde.
Nag-agawan yung dalawa doon. Ang game plan kasi ni what you call this Romeo Puliente na parang alley-oop din kagaya ng ginagawa kay Yancy, di ba? Kaso nag-agawan yung dalawa, si Baarde sa si Kerubin.
A miscommunication on the part of the Skytrack as Marquez getting hounded. And that's an 8-second call.
Nang inahin si Marquez doon. Akala ko ititira, half court
Baka pumasok pa yun, no, Boss Ray?
Oo, kasi alam naman natin kung gano'n ka-shooter yung mama na yan.
As the score 14-all, 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining dito. Bunyales in the ball game for Skytrack. They give it up. Baarde, knock it down from the 2.
Alam mo Skytrack kung titignan mo Skytrack, maliliit sila, pero yung bilis yun ang magiging problema naman itong si Lions.
And right on cue, Boss Ray, naka-steal doon. Baarde naman in transition.
Yes. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Naglagay ka ng mga big, tapos ang problema naman, ang Skytrack naman, nag-go small.
Yan, dinadaan sa bilis nitong Skytrack, Tito
Correct.
Rexes.
So, ganun na mangyayari sa depensa niyan. Talagang, sila, dadaan nila sa bilis. Tapos, pass break agad, ang play, ganun. Ayan na naman. Di ba?
Takbo na naman dito.
Buti na lang may isang Rica Puente na, alam mo yun, nakakasabay din sa Skytrack.
But the Skytrack, Tito Rexes gonna try to talk it over as the score 18-14. Apat po ang lamang dito ng Skytrack. And taking a look at that previous game of the Skytrack losing to the Fire Chiefs 85-90, their winning streak came to an end in that ball game. And just looking at their 3-point field goals, 11%. And talaga, Boss Ray, no, pag di ka makakashoot sa 3 points sa ball game today, you're gonna have a hard time. 2 out of 18 lang itong Skytrack.
Ganun talaga kasi kung gagawin uli nila yon, kailangan panibago na naman. Kung sana pagising mo sa umaga, panibagong buhay. So, ganun dapat gawin ng Skytrack.
As we take a look at some of the PBA legends and our deputy commissioners in attendance, EJ File, John Ferriols, Boss Rocky Chan, and of course, Coach Leo Isaak.
Grabe, pag nakikita mo yung mga legend na yan, no? Si Commissioner Rodi Santos na lang, pwede na maglimahan.
Kulang na lang siguro yung Boss Ray Alaw, no? Super 5 na.
Derek Bomar.
Oh, what's a 3-pointer? Fuliente, and we mentioned dati, Boss Ray, no, itong si Fuliente can stretch it out, can shoot the three-pointer.
Totoo yun. Kasi ang maganda sa kanya, kahit na malaki siya, alam mo yun, talagang kayang-kaya niyang tumira, tapos kaya-kaya tumakbo. Yun lang yung depensa nila nabitin doon.
Pero take a look at that tasty dish. Marquez to Reducto, threading the needle. One more time, the lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Hotel 101 Global. Reducto finishing off that end one.
Ang laki ng in-improve ng Reducto na to. Kung makikita mo dati, inilep niya lang na straight yun. Pero ngayon, talagang may timing na.
And even through the contact, Reducto being able to finish 21-16 po ang score natin. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Fuliente, outside Buñales. They lob it up. Another touch pass. Baarde, no good. Kerabin naman, binalik kay Baarde. And that's a foul.
Iyan ang isipin mo. May bulldozer ka doon, di ba? May Ricky Milencio ka, may Reducto ka. Pero itong dalawang malita to si Kervin sa si Baarde, dinadaan lang sa bilis. Di ba?
Ganun talaga na, Boss Ray. Pag mas maliit kayo, mas mabilis. Pag yung mga mas malaki, mas mabagal, now they're using it to their advantage.
Totoo yun. Yan ang ano eh, kailangan mong gawin eh. Kung mas malalaki sila, daanin mo sa bilis, timing. So, makakuha ka ng rebound, saka makakuha ka ng puntos sa harapan nila.
As Baarde getting that free throw to drop that second one. Less than 2 minutes remaining here in the opening period. An unforced error dun para sa Sea Lions. Baltazar, miscommunication dun kay Marquez.
Yun, tama naman si Baltasar. Wala pumesto dito sa gitna. So, talagang ang tendency nun, kukunin kagad yung 2 point guard nila.
Fuliente finds Kerabin underneath for the two. And ayun na naman, Boss Ray. Dinaan na naman sa bilis ng maliit na
Totoo
player.
yun. Oh, yan. May pumesto sa gitna na ipapasa ng maayos.
Melencio inside, no good.
So, mention lang natin, si Richie Milencio, kaya ganyan ang kilos. Medyo masakit pa yung injury niya. Pero, naparehab niya na daw ng maganda. So, medyo nakakalakad at takbo na siya. Kaya lang itong mamanto, hindi mo ipigilan maglaro dahil passion niya talaga ang basketball.
As Richie Melencio, his son, playing for the DLSU Green Archers, si Ryle Melencio. Binalik naman dito. They get it out. Buñales, 2-on-1, 4-on-1. And Buñales getting fouled on that layup attempt for Marquez.
Magulat si Buñales, 3 pa rin nasa likod. Ganun kabilis yung Skytrack, di ba? Tito Rex.
Halos yung buong team ng Skytrack, no, nandun na sa kabilang court.
Yes, naiwan na lang si Romeo doon dahil kailangan naman siya para sa depensa. So, maganda ang tinatakbo ng Skytrack, Tito Rex Firewire. Kailangan lang Aaron mag-adjust ng Sea Lions kasi kung mapapansin ni Coach Arboleda na yung mga big niya hindi makakasabay, mag-a-adjust yan. Ayan, gaya niya, nagpalit na siya ng maliit.
And entering the ball game for the Sea Lions, that's one of their point guards. Pero ang score po natin, 25-16, a minute and 14 remaining dito. In our opening period, this is the 3rd game of our Sinag Lakas 40 3.0 Wednesday. Pero tatawag naman dito ng timeout ng tropang Sea Lions with Coach Winnie Arboleda trying to talk it over, their team down by 10 points.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Taking a look at Yancy De Ocampo in their previous matchup, 25 points and 19 rebounds. Getting that W in their previous game versus the Fire Chief Fire Extinguishers. Double-double itong si Yancy De Ocampo, Boss Ray.
Yun nga double-double siya pero masakit para sa kanya yun dahil talo sila sa Fire Chief. Diba?
As they get it out, Buñales to Baarde for the finger roll. Halos sinubo na lang yung bola dun sa ring, Boss Ray.
Alam mo yung Baarde, nagugulat ako kung saan kumukuha ng lakas ng talon yan.
The athleticism on full display. Alegre entering the ball game. Out to Richie. Melencio, binalik kay Alegre. They're moving that ball around but they've got 10 seconds. Back to Melencio, driving hard to the left, and he gets his first bucket. Richie Melencio.
Partida, may nararamdaman pa yan, ha?
As 32 seconds remaining here in our opening period. Still a 10-point game for the Skytrack. They're leading by 10. Yuga against Reducto. Pinilik dito kay Bunyales. 10 on the shot clock. Alley-oop! Baarde can't finish.
Hindi na timing ni Baarde yun.
Here they come. Alegre can't get the jumper. Reducto saves it back to Alegre. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Rica Fuente, three-pointer. Wala pa rin yun. Baarde skying high. Here they come. And that signals the end of our opening period. The score 28-18 in favor of the Skytrack Tito Rex's squad. Tingnan natin dito some of the highlights in that first quarter, Boss Ray. No, itong sila Yancy De Ocampo came to play and Richie Melencio making his debut. Pati si Eric Damian nakatres din.
Lahat gigil, Aaron, di ba? Gusto magpakita ng gilas sa gabing ito. Kaya yung mga nanonood dyan ng live, alam ko yung may enjoy nyo ngayon yung game na ito.
That's definitely a joy to watch in our first period. Taking a look at more of the highlights dito. Itong si Randall Reducto finishing in transition. The score 28-18. It's a 10-point game. Leading is the Skytrack Tito Rexes.
Last game man ngayong araw ay napakataas pa rin ng energy dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 3.0 at itong energy nga ang ginagamit ng Skytrack Aviation upang makalamang sa laro na ito. As head coach Air Alaw said, that team cannot rely on Yancy De Ocampo alone, and he urged all his players to step up and be energetic para makabawi sa kanilang pagkatalo. Sino nga ba ang mga nag-step up na players for Skytrack? Anong sa tingin nyo, Aaron and Boss Ray?
And of course, no, they can't rely on just Yancy De Ocampo. He's just one person. Pero yung mga iba dito, Boss Ray, nagsi-step up, di ba? Yung mga guards nila. Itong si Kerabin, si Bunyales, pati itong si Baarde, and even Galvez.
Yes, actually, yun nga sinabi ng mga legend natin nung nanonood kami. Alam natin ang Fire Chief, solid na team to. Pero, ang pinagtataka ng mga legend, bakit inaasa mo lahat kay Yancy De Ocampo? Tapos, pag nasa kanya na yung bola, wala nang kumakat or wala na pong pwesto para i-kick out niya, makatira ng tres. So, yun ang naging kulang ng Skytrack. Kaya maganda yung sinabi ni Coach Ernest dito.
And of course, Coach Ernest Alaw manning that sideline doon para sa Skytrack Tito Rexes. One of the familiar faces here in our Sinag Liga Asia as a substitution dito. Alabas muna dito si Randall Reducto. Pasok dito si number 0 of the Tropang Sea Lions, itong si Noel Baltazar, as the second quarter has just begun. Galvez in the corner. Taking a look at the first quarter field goals, 11 of 17 from Skytrack. Meanwhile, 7 of 19 naman dito para sa Tropang Sea Lions. As Sweet Lou Abad gets a good look at 3, can't finish it. Balik dito kay Luwalhati. Abad, second time, and reloads for 3.
Ganon katiwala si Luwalhati sa teammate niya. Okay, nag-miss ka ng una, bigyan ulit kita. Papasok din yan.
And Sweet Lou, full confidence in himself. Alegre this time to that right wing. Back to the top. Melencio to the middle. De Jesus. Back to Richie. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Three-pointer if it's good. And he knocks it down.
Ang talino ni Richie Melencio doon. Alam niyang idodouble siya. Kick out niya, yun na. Nakapasok na si Rica Puente.
Patient basketball as Luwalhati this time. Binalik kay Yancy. Sweet Lou. Same spot. Different result. Takbo naman dito. Rica Fuente leading the break. This time, he's gonna take it from the same spot, and it's the same result. Oh, pero mukhang may extracurricular activities dito, Boss Ray. Si Yancy, pati si De Jesus, oh. Some talking happening dito.
Yan ang maganda. Parehas malaki. Parehas bulldozer ang dating, di ba? Talagang banggaan lang, di ba?
Tingnan natin dito, Boss Ray, sa instant replay mo. Mukhang nagkabanggaan doon si De Jesus, pati si Yancy. points exchanged there. As we move it over, it's Skytrack once again. 31-24 is the score.
Yes, bago natin makalimutan, happy birthday sa wife ng ating Commissioner, Rodi Santos.
And a happy birthday po to Mrs. Santos as Eric Damian.
Ma'am Alo, para sa'yo daw yun, sabi ni Eric Damian.
5 points na itong si Damian in this ball game.
Grabe ka, sabi ko lang happy birthday sa wife ng ating Commissioner na si Rodi Santos. Nagpakita ng hookshot doon si Eric Damian, the hook.
Mukhang yun yung pa-birthday bash nitong ni Eric Damian.
Yes.
In this ball game, Alegre, binalik kay Rica Fuente. They move it out, 2-3 zone. Richie Melencio knocks it down from deep. The sharpshooter, Richie Melencio.
Yon, may nagpapa-shoutout. Grade 6, Isaac Newton ng St. Anthony of Makati, Montessori. Thank you. Pagsubaybay sa Sinagdigasya.
And another foul and one doon para kay Yancy De Ocampo. Tingnan natin to. One more time, De Ocampo just too big with the lakas move of the quarter, brought to you by Hotel 101 Global. And ayun na naman tayo, Boss Ray. Yancy De Ocampo just bodying up inside and getting another 2 points.
Talagang inaabangan siya ng mga big ng si Lions dahil nasi-challenge sa kanya. Siyempre, alam naman natin na legend din to sa Pro PBA.
As this time, they get it back. Melencio naman. Pinalik dito, Alegre. They whip it around. Rica Fuente. You see Melencio cutting to the corner. Tough shot. No good. Forward pass. Here comes Sweet Lou. Lobs it up. Too much sauce on the pass.
Okay lang daw, sabi ni Coach Ernest. Hindi daw kasi nahawakan ni Boss Galvez. Yun, batiin lang natin ng happy birthday, James Mangaran, a.k.a. Jericho Rosales ng Makati.
Ayun, so a happy birthday po sa inyo as inside attack by De Jesus. Wala yun, rebound ni Yancy. Outside, Luwalhati. The fake, the pass. Here comes Yancy, kicks it out. Big man 3. It's in!
Kabibitaw pa lang ni Luwalhati, nakasenyas na ng 3, Aaron. Parang alam na alam niyang papasok.
And Boss Ray, ang importante doon, it came from a pass from Yancy De Ocampo. Yung sinasabi niyo, marunong pumasa itong si Yancy.
Yes, yun talaga ang totoo doon. Kailangan mo lang, alam mo yun, as a teammate niya, gumawa ka rin naman ng way para matulungan siya. Kasi kung ibibigay mo lahat sa kanya, mapapagod at papagod din yan. Lalo na sa laki niya ngayon, di ba?
As the score, 39-27, you see the standing ovation dito para kay Eric Damian heading to the bench.
Maganda ang gising ni Boss Eric Damian nila.
Rica Fuente, inbounding. De Jesus, linabas dito. Back to Ricky Fuente. Kicking it out, Melencio, 3-pointer. Hits back iron. Balik dito, Sweet Lou. Bounces to Bautista, back to Sweet Lou, and give it back to him for the score.
Yun talaga yun eh. Pagka magandang pasahan nyo, i-score yung mga teammate mo. Pero pag sinolo mo or iba yung agenda mo as a player, mahirapan kayo.
Alegre this time. Locked and loaded from deep.
Grabe naman yun. Binitawan na lang, di ba? Iba to si Alegre.
11-point lead dito para sa Skytrack, 41-30.
Yun, banggitin ko lang happy viewing Mayora Ina Alegre ng Pola Mindoro. Maraming po salamat, Mayora. Ang ganda na ng Pola ngayon Grabe dahil kay Mayora Ina Alegre.
As we saw that Sweet Lou 3-pointer, Boss Ray, and the 3-point party starting dito. Pumapasok na yung mga tira from both teams as Alegre kicking it out. Rica Fuente this time. Wala yun. Battle for that loose ball. Babalik ang bola dito sa Skytrack.
Ganado si Sweet Lou ngayon
As Boss Joel Yuga, Boss Ray, papasok na rin dito sa game.
Yes, alam mo to si Boss Yuga, hindi lang, alam mo yun, tinatawag siya na boss, hindi. Talagang pinaparamdam niya na player ako pag nasa court, pero pag nasa labas, boss niyo ako. Ganun katindi tong maman to. Natutuwa ako sa kanya pag naglalaro.
And Yancy tries to give it to Yuga, pero balik yun kay Galvez, 2-pointer. Miss. De Jesus forward, 3-on-1. Alegre in transition for 2. Oh, he can't get it. Balik naman dito, counter fast break, Sweet Lou. Pulling up for 3. That's too strong.
Nakita mo yung top ni Boss Yoga, di ba? Nakakatulong sa rebound, di ba? Offense and defense. Marunong. Siyempre, habang out ang bola. Happy birthday, Aldrian Luis Alaw or Yusuyuki Dinera Alaw. Happy birthday.
Ayun.
After kasi ng birthday ng kapatid niya na si Moore Prince Alaw, magkasunod lang.
Yun pala, no? So masaya pala sa pamilyang Alaw on the month of January, no? Puro birthday.
Less ang gastos, no? Magkasabay.
Parang 2-in-1 na, no, Boss Ray?
Yes. Oo, kaya thank you, Lord. The blessing.
Kaya ito naman si Ting from the corner. Leaves it short, pero De Jesus is there for the cleanup.
Hindi nila na-box out doon si De Jesus. So, ang ganda ng position ni De Jesus doon. So, quick 2 points or easy para kay De Jesus yung mga ganun.
Baarde naman, linabas dito kay Sweet Lou. Outside, Galvez. Back to Sweet Lou. 10 on the shot clock. Kaiser. They've got to go quickly. 8 seconds. Galvez. Mid-range magic.
Ang ganda ng pasahan ngayon ng Skytrack at Tito Rex Firewire, ha? Kung makikita mo, lahat ini-involve nila. Hindi yung, ikaw lang bahala. Ngayon, talagang narorotate na maayos yung bola.
Oh, but a traveling violation called dito kay Panyares.
May kasama kasing Giggle Aaron, di ba? Parang 46-32. Malayo yung habulin namin. Gusto ko agad score, so hindi yun makukuha sa ganun, eh. Kaya kung makikita mo si Coach Winnie Arboleda, napaka-cool lang dahil as a legend, alam niya yan na relax lang tayo. Second quarter pa lang.
Kahit 14 points yung lamang dito, Boss Ray, no, kayang-kaya pa rin habulin ito ng tropang Sea Lions.
Yes, tagal pa yan. Second quarter pa lang.
Baarde naman, attacking inside. The kamikaze drive. He's foiled. Give it back dito. Here come the Sea Lions. Forward pass. Give it out. Ting, three-pointer.
Ayan
It's
na!
in!
Ayan na, Aaron. Nagpapakita na ng bangis ang Sea Lions.
Balik dito. And yun na nga, Boss Ray, no? Sabi mo, matagal-tagal pa itong game na to. Nakahabol na sila at 46-35. Mas Baarde inside. De Jesus with the board. Panyares running the break. The shot inside. No good. Pero matatawagan doon ng foul si Bunyales.
Naramdaman niya kasi na nasa likod si Bunyales. So, ang gagawin niya na lang is kunan ng foul to bago niya itira. Pwedeng end one or titira siya sa free throw.
And that's really one of the things that June Panyares does well, no, Boss Ray? Marunong gumamit ng katawan nito. But for the meantime, we give it over to Miss Flo Del Agua. She has some information on June Panyares.
Kung tunay kang fan ng Sinag Lakas 40 3.0 panigurado ay kilala mo ang legend na si June Panyares ng tropang Sea Lions. Panyares started playing basketball when he was just 10 years old at ever since walang tigil na ang kanyang paglalaro. Tinanong ko nga siya kung anong nagpapahusay sa kanya all these years and he told me that when you love what you do, you don't stop. Aaron and Boss Ray.
And thank you so much for that, Miss Flo. Alam mo naman natin, itong si June Panyares, one of the leading scorers of this tropang Sea Lion squad. And as I mentioned nga kanina, Boss Ray, ang galing nitong gumamit ng katawan si Panyares.
Totoo yun. Ano na to eh, legend to sa mga ligang labas. Kaya hindi basta-basta yung mama na to.
They fight for it. Moscoso gets hit on the chin, signaling for an elbow. Bunyales this time. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining.
Legend baka mo. Gio Golengo Quilla. At sa wife mo, happy viewing po. Maraming salamat sa support sa Sinag Liga Asia. Ganun din siyempre sa my birthday na si James Totot Mangaran.
Ayun nga, natamaan doon si Boss Joel Yuga. Looks like Nino Marquez is heading back into the ball game for this Sea Lion squad.
Grabe, nakakatuwa. Mayroon pang nanonood na si Boss June Samson. Ang may-ari ng Santa Lucia.
Ayun.
Laging naglalaro sa Santa Lucia to. Ganun to katinding mama na to. Boss June Samson, mabuhay ka po at salamat sa support sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Boss Samson, shoutout po sa inyo. Bibigay din po akong shoutout, Boss Ray. Shoutout din sa parents ko na nanonood ngayon. Si
Wow!
Miss Christine D. and Mr. Philson D.
Wow, happy viewing po, ma'am and sir. Thank you po sa support sa Sinag Liga Asia. At thank you po, pinagbigyan niyo po si Aaron na tulungan ang Sinag Liga Asia.
As we take a look at the scoring for this game, itong si Danny Billones as well, the assistant coach, and Jim Will Laron, the team owner of the tropang Sea Lions. Baarde, too small.
Ang ganda ng bakbakan ni Baarde at ni Panyares, di ba? Match sila eh. Parehas, hari ng mga panalay din eh. Panyares, Baarde, Yan ang marinig mo lagi sa mga ligang labas.
Give it up to the corner. Three-pointer, Marquez. Hits back iron. Takbo dito ang Skytrack. Baarde running the floor.
Meron pala talaga ang Skytrack ng run and gun na pwede nilang ibigay para sa team nila.
And kanina, Boss Ray, sabi natin, no, dinadaan sa bilis nitong tropang sila, yung tropang sila, ginagawa na naman ng Skytrack in this second quarter.
Totoo yun.
Reducto, linabas dito. Moscoso outside, Marquez, three-pointer. It's in!
Easy lang kainin yung Marquez yan.
Ito naman, back to 10 points is the lead. Ayaw talagang pagbigyan dito ng Sea Lions, no? Hindi sila nagpapabigay dito ng lead. A big lead as Buñales tries the bounce pass. Joel Yuga losing that ball and it looks like it's gonna stay with them.
Parang mas bumilis ang depensa ng Sea Lions ngayon kung titignan mo, Aaron.
And it looks like a timeout gonna be called by Coach Ernest Alaw and the Skytrack Tito Rex's squad. The score, it's 50-40, a 10-point lead by the boys in white.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Let's check this out. The lakas shot of the quarter brought to you by Okada Manila. Nino Marquez hitting it from downtown. The lefty, one of the key players of this Tropang Sea Lions squad and a usual scorer. As we take a look at some of the fans in attendance, no, Boss Ray, nandito sila lahat to support their loved ones, their families, and their friends playing today sa Lakas 40 Division.
Yan ang nakaka-excite eh. Alam mo yun, naglalaro ka, nandiyan yung family mo, nandiyan yung mga friends mo, mas gaganahan ka.
And of course, we can see all of the fans in attendance ngayon. Boss Joel Yuga, natamaan kanina. What looks like he's okay. Thankfully, he is okay as his team is still up by 10 points in this latter part of the second quarter.
Pero laban lang, di ba? Yan ang nakakatawa kay Boss Yuga, tapos nakatawa lang, ma-appear pa sa nakabangga sa kanya.
As Boss Joel Yuga gets it. And pinasok na rin nila dito, Boss Ray, for the first time, Marvin Valdivia. Isa ito sa mga athletic players of the Skytrack team.
Nakakatawa eh, no? Si Boss Yuga pa sumisenyas na, Valdivia, dito ka ha. Di ba? Alam mo yun, hindi lang siya boss na. Talagang inaano niya na gawin natin yung play na tinuturo sa atin ng coach natin.
As they get it out, Alvin Del Ponzo to Yuga. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Valdivia's got to go quickly. 1 second. Throws it up. Almost gets it, pero Reducto is there for the board. Balik dito kay Moscoso to Edgar Ting. Almost a steal. Binalik kay Randall. Marquez, unselfish to Ting. Parang pwede nang tinira ni Marquez yun doon,
Actually,
no?
tama ka. Panira na talaga ni Marquez yun. Pero gaya nga ng sinabi mo, hindi sa selfish na akin lang ito. Dahil alam niya, shooter dito si Ting.
Yuga this time. Calling for the play. Binalik kay Del Ponzo. Inside. Puliente. Basket and one.
Ganun talaga yun. Sabi nga ni Romy Puliente, talagang end one.
As the lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Hotel 101 Global. Puliente finishing inside through the contact and getting that basket and one.
Hindi pa nag-iinit ang Sea Lions yan ha. Kung titingnan mo yung bench nila, ang dahil pang mga sikat na mga pangalan dyan eh. May Rica Franca ka, diba? May Bulldozer ka. Yung dalawa, wala pa sa loob. Milencio saka si Rica Puente.
And hihintayin natin yan, no, Boss Ray, sa second half natin kung iinit na ba sila under Coach Winnie Arboleda.
Totoo, meron ka pang ano ha, Deso sa labas.
Ting three-pointer. No good. Rebound by Boss Joel. Yuga taking it down, kicking it Valdivia. Back to Puliente. They've got 21 seconds remaining dito. It's a 5-second differential. Del Ponzo, 3. No good. Reducto with the board. And here comes Moscoso. Out to Pañares. Full head of steam. Inside. Floating in the air for two.
Ang sarap tingnan ng ere ni Pañares na yun.
And he gets the steal. 3 seconds left. They got a chance. Edgar Ting to Marquez. Oh! And kanina, Boss Ray, dapat tinira ni Marquez yung shot na yun. Ngayon naman, si Ting naman, dapat tinira niya yun. Binigay niya kay Marquez.
Parang sabi niya, babawi ako. Yun lang, error.
Dalawang mukhang masyadong too much unselfish basketball on their part. If we take a look at the second quarter highlights natin dito. As Eric, the hook, Damian, 5 early points. And Richie Melencio making his first buckets in this ball game. Balik naman dito kay Kaiser Galvez, Mr. Reliable. And of course, the lefty, the lethal lefty, getting it to drop, Baarte. He's been athletic in this game, showcasing his speed. As our score, 53-42, the Skytrack Tito Rex is still in control at the end of our first half.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat lang ako sa mga sponsor natin sa ginanap na caravan ng Silang Liga Asia kung saan marami po tayong pinuntahan na lugar para maghatid tulong po sa mga taong kailangan po nila ngayong holiday para magkaroon sila ng sapat na pagkain, inumin, lahat po, at sa mga bata, namigay po tayo ng mga bola, dahil sa mga sponsor po natin yan. Hindi ko na po isa-isa dahil napakarami niyo pong tumulong. Mga teams ng Lakas 40, sila di Henry Alcantara, mga mayor na kaibigan natin, politician, mga private, identity. Maraming po salamat, lalo-lalo sa Okada, Manila, ganoon din sa Double Dragon, at sa kay ASEC, Miko, at Secretary Limulya. Kapasalamat po kami sa tulong niyo na binigay para dito sa mga natulungan po natin ngayong Pasko at parating na bagong taon. Muli, nagpapasalamat at pinagdigaan sa inyo lahat, lalo na sa kung may kapal, na bigyan po tayo ng maraming blessings para maipabot po ang mga tulong na kailangan niya. Maraming salamat po sa Silang Liga Asia at sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay po tayo. Sabi nga ni kailangan niya na maraming pang ganyan. Kung may kita dahil sa ingay dito, hindi ba siya na magaling dito? One more or no more, kapit na mga kasinan.
Pampanga Intermunicipalities Series Basketball Tournament Delta Cup.
Kakabiling kong masalese kay kayo nak, i-promote tayo ng sportsmanship nak. Okay? Ita mo nga, tandanan nyo, kapampangan tangan.
This is your 2024 Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
Maraming salamat for taking time out to be part of the first ever SLA Junior World Showcase Delta Cup.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Magandang araw sa inyo mga kasinag. Maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, naging maganda at marami tayong na sorpresa ang ating mga kababayan, lalo na ating 2024 Sinag Caravan dahil tayo po ay namigay ng konting ating may tutulong sa ating mga kapuspalan at marami tayong napasaya. Ito po ay asahan yung taon-taon namin gagawin para sa inyo, para lalo sa mga nangangailangan. May Pasko, kay hindi, patuloy pong gagawin namin ito. Yung mga nakasinag Liga Asia, karami nyo po sa hirap at ginawa. At siyempre sa New Year, mas magiging exciting at mas magiging malaki na gagawin namin dito para po sa inyo, sa Liga, sa mga taong miyembro at sa mga kasinag. Gusto namin, wala naman po kami ibang gusto kundi mapasaya, magpaligaya ng mga kababayan natin. No? Mga basketball enthusiasts, hindi lang po yan. Siyempre, marami tayong natutulungan ginagawa outside basketball. So, asahan niyo po mas malaki at mas magandang Sinag Liga Asia sa mga darating pang event na gagawin namin. At saka siyempre, tutulungan natin. I wish you a happy and prosperous New Year sa ating lahat, mga kasinag, team management, chairman, president, direct, all the crew, deputy commissioner natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mabuhay tayo.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Back here at Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 3.0 kung saan napaka-espesyal ng ating halftime interview dahil sinamahan ako ng ating commissioner, no other than Sir Rodney Santos. Magandang gabi po, Sir Rodney. Sir, I heard that you are here to clear things out regarding a recent suspension from the team of Sea Lions. So maaari niyo po bang ibahagi sa ating mga kasinag?
Magandang gabi mga kasinag, sa mga basketball fans. Yes, kasi medyo nakakalungkot yung nangyari. No? Hindi natin inaasahan yung mga ganong insidente. Although, kasi sa basketball, di may iwasan magkakasakitan. But sa akin naman, as long as part of the basketball, as long as part of the ball game, okay lang. Pero yung magsiswing ka ng gano'n, parang kasi intentional naman ang manakit. So, there's no place in this league yung mga ganong klaseng actions na just want to send a message to all other teams na hindi pwede i-tolerate yung mga ganong actions ng players. Kasi unang-una, like, suspension niya, siyempre, tapos yung heavy fine niya. And siyempre kasi magsasuffer yan yung team eh. So, yun ang sana maiwasan natin, lalo na sa mga team owners. Inaalagaan din naman natin team owners. They're very supportive. And then, siyempre, they hired you to play, no? So, in return, just play. Ito lang naman yung papawis ang sinasabi natin na para makatulong sa ating mga ganyang age na naglilibang, no? At the same time, nakikita kayo sa buong Pilipinas.
I'm sure our basketball fans will appreciate itong pag-clear out ninyo sa issue. Pero meron pa akong isang katanungan sa inyo, Sir Rodney. Balita namin ay aalis na kayo ng Sinag Liga Asia upang maging coaching staff sa Mindoro Tamaraws ng MPBL. Sir Rodney, on a scale of 1 to 10, how true is this news?
Pang showbiz yun, no comment. Hindi naman ako alis. But I'm still the commissioner of the Sinag Liga. Pero siyempre sa atin, extra opportunity, extra job, siyempre sa work. Pero sa atin naman, lahat ng opportunity, just grab it, no? I'm gonna head coaching the Mindoro Tamaraws this coming MPBL season on March 8. So, a new challenge. But siyempre, kasama natin dyan ating mga deputies, assistant coaches, sila Coach Ernest Alao, sina EJ Files, John Ferrios, si President Ray. Kasama rin naman namin si Sir Rocky dyan. So, isang grupo rin naman kasi maganda yung komportable ka sa lugar na ginagalawan mo.
And on behalf of the SLA family, Sir Rodney, we support you in this endeavor. Kaya naman po, meron ba kayong gustong batiin at pasalamatan?
Supportahan lagi yung Sinag Liga Asia at Mindoro Tamaraws. At saka siyempre, I just want to greet my wife. A happy birthday yesterday. So, sana nag-enjoy siya sa birthday niya. And to my kids, hello. I love you.
And that is our Commissioner, Sir Rodney Santos. Balik sa inyo, Aaron and Boss Ray.
Thanks for that, Flo. At the end of our halftime break, the score 53-42 in favor of the Skytrack Tito Rex's Aviation. As you just heard it right there from Commissioner Rodney Santos, taking a look at some of the halftime highlights brought to you by Hotel 101 Global. And Boss Ray, narinig nga natin doon si Commissioner Rodney Santos. So, happy birthday din kay Mrs. Santos yesterday.
Yes, siyempre, binabati at paulit-ulit nating babatiin si Ma'am Alu Santos ng happy birthday po, Ma'am, na sobrang bait niyan dahil alam mo yun na pinagbigyan niya ang the legend Rodney Santos na mag-isip dito sa Sinag Liga Asia.
As we take a look at some of the halftime stats naman dito, Skytrack Tito Rex's versus the Tropang Sea Lions. Tingnan natin dito yung field goal percentage nila, 58% for Skytrack. Meanwhile, it's just 41% for Tropang Sea Lions. Taking a look at the rebounds, magkalapit din yan, 19-18. And then the assist is 16-10. Skytrack really dominating right now, but the only place where the Tropang Sea Lions are above them is the bench scoring with 22-21 para sa kanila. Still a close ball game dito. They're just up by 11 points. Taking a look at some of the leading scorers dito. Of course, Skytrack with Lou Abad leading the way. Baarde has been hyper athletic in this ball game with 9 points. Yancy De Ocampo 7, Poliete and 6. Tropang Sea Lions naman, Pañares with 10. Ricafuente, Ting and Marquez with 6 apiece.
Ang ganda ng tinatakbo nila kasi alam mo yun, na-sure yung bola na maayos. Diba? Actually, yung ibang player yun ang hinihintay.
As the score, 53-42, babalik po kami shortly. And when we come back, the second half will begin.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Maraming salamat po to Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa.
Siyempre, magkapasalamat tayo sa ating Vice President, Ma'am Orange Ramirez. Ma'am, thank you po talaga sa Converge family. Lalong-lalo sa iyo, Boss Joben Quintana. Grabe yung ginawa nila. Alam mo, ang bilis ng internet natin yan dahil sa Converge.
Ayun, no? So maraming salamat po to Converge for helping out dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Alam naman natin na Wi-Fi, no? Very important part sa mga buhay ngayon. So Converge really doing a good job with our connection online.
Siyempre, ganun din sa 0107 Management Group Incorporation, Boss Joey Valencia, J Project Clothing Shop. Siyempre, Boss Vicente Linogo Jr. Converge, maraming po salamat sa ginawa niyo po. Ang bilis no?
Tama, no? And tingnan natin dito. Once again, this is the start of our second half of this ball game. It's the Tropang Sea Lions going up against the Skytrack Tito Rexes as Edgar Ting opening up the scoring column in the second half with a three-pointer. Balik dito kay Sweet Lou. Tuluwalhati. Outside to Kaiser. Galvez binalik. Dito kay Yancy. The half fake inside. Take a look at the footwork from the big man. Second serving is no good, but he gets another chance at it.
Natawan na lang siya kasi talagang ipapaulin mo na lang di ba? Grabe. Parang tinuturo yan ni Coach Mike Jimenez at ni Boss Dino makapili ang number 1 Taiwan ng Alpas 7. Boss Achit Cao. Thank you po.
Yun, so shoutout po sa inyo as we've got 14 seconds on the shot clock. De Ocampo once again inside.
Alam mo yung parang idinidikit niya na lang dahil sa laki niya, talagang mapapaul ka
Boss Ray, no, napakadali ng buhay nung nag-i-inbound ng bola doon. You just throw it up and he's gonna catch it.
Correct. Ganun lang talaga kasimple. Ang gagawin mo, wala ka nang ibang gagawin. Kundi bato mo lang sa kanya, kukunin niya, then ititira niya yan. Kung hindi niya ma-shoot, may foul.
De Ocampo this time. And Boss Ray, usually for big men, no, pag free throws, doon sila nahihirapan. Maganda yung touch ni Yancy from the free throw line.
Correct ka doon kasi number 1 pick nga yan sa PBA, gaya na sinabi mo kanina. Dahil sa style niya na yan, may perimeter siya. Tapos sa ilalim, dominante yung mamang yan. So, wala ka nang kasa niya, kundi ibigay mo na yung bola, parang, sige, kayang-kaya mo na yan. Pero kailangan mo rin magtrabaho, kakat ka, or may mga mag-i-stay sa 3 points para mag-kick out niya pagka tin-triple team naman siya.
This time, it's the Tropang Sea Lions with Edgar Ting. Back-to-back threes.
Bang!
Yes, sir!
Grabe. Yan naman ang papatay sa kanila doon. Ganun lang simple, si Ting, di ba? Ang libre, kakanain ka niyan.
And Ting with 2 3-pointers in the second half as Yancy floats it up, gets the friendly bounce.
Parang hirap bantayan doon. Nasa gitna na siya. Pakita mo, tinaas niya lang.
Paano mo pipigilan yun? Si Yancy De Ocampo when he gets that deep as Pañares this time with the ball. Give it out, Elorza.
Boss Jason Sucaltido, salamat po sa panonood. Grabe nakakatuwa itong mga ito
Pañares naman,
Bang!
a three-pointer of his own.
Grabe, kala ko papanain si Luabad Nakatingin siya kay Lu, nung pag-shoot
And Boss Ray, 3 na ang tres dito ng Sea Lions in this third quarter. 2 minutes, 2 minutes pa lang ang lumilipas sa atin. Kaiser Galvez, no good. Oh, but Yancy falling to the ground. Dangerous fall there. Pero buti na lang, Boss Ray, nakatayo agad dito si Yancy. Take a look at that.
Talagang binaksaw siya ng maganda ni Rica Franca doon. Kaso talagang, alam mo yun, yung puwet niya talagang may kasamang tulak. Kaya tinawagan siya.
Outside, Sweet Lou, three-pointer. No good. Battle for that loose ball. They get it to drop.
Eto pa pala, ang problema ng Sea Lions dito yung agharaw. Alam naman natin yung maman to. Pag tumira yan, isa rin yan sa piso-piso dahil automatic lista mo na.
And it's an 8-point game for the Skytrack Tito Rexes, 59-51. 7 minutes and 32 seconds remaining here in the third period. Elorza pulling up for 3, leaves it short.
Alam mo si Elorza, mas maasahan mo to yung mga atake or yung pass break. Ganon siya kagaling Kaya nakakatuwa yung maman to. Alam mo yun, sumikat to uli sa mga ligang labas. Ang daming tumatawag daw sa kanya ngayon. At ang ganda na ng bayad sa kanya, simula naglaro siya dito, Sinagliga Asia.
And yung exposure talaga dito, Boss Ray, no? When you play in Sinagliga Asia, marami talaga makakakita sa'yo.
Totoo, kaya nga, congratulations sa mga naglalaro ng ligang labas dyan na nakita dito Sinagliga Asia. Kung baka sa ano, double pay ka na pag naglaro ka dito.
Tama, no, Boss Ray? Españares gets that ball stripped. Here comes Sweet Lou, forward pass. Stolen by Ting, and here come the boys in yellow. Pañares, tough shot. And he's heading to the line, forcing that issue for two.
Ang bilis ni Ting doon, nung nakita mo. Galing siya doon sa 3 points, nakapunta kagad sa half court. Diba? Kung ikaw ang coach, hindi mo talaga ilalabas yung maman to. Pabayaan mo lang siya na mag-enjoy dyan dahil ginagawa niya yung trabaho niya.
As it's a 10-point lead dito for the Skytrack Tito Rexes. But Flo Del Agua has got some info for us on Edgar Ting. So go ahead, Flo, and take it away.
Dito ka lang maglalaro and wait for that pass. Yan ang utos ni Coach Winnie in their huddle earlier sa kanilang sharp shooter na si Edgar Ting. Coming into the second half, the Sea Lions want to play to their strengths, and that outside shooting ni Edgar Ting, his specialty is one of them. Back to you, Aaron and Boss Ray.
Definitely, no, playing for Coach Winnie Arboleda itong si Edgar Ting, and 2 3-pointers already in this third quarter. Itong si Edgar Ting, Boss Ray, pinapakita niya yung outside shooting niya in this game. Pero Luwalhati naman inside. Traveling violation called on Luwalhati. Good defense on Rica Franca.
Napilitan si Rica Franca doon na, alam mo yun, tumulong kasi nakita niya, ang ganda ng pit ni Luwalhati.
As a warning gonna be called, looks like. That's on Lou Abad. As a two-man substitution for Skytrack. Eric Damian in the ball game, as well as Baarde. He's also entering.
Tingnan natin kung anong iambag na naman ni Boss Eric Damian, the hook.
And Eric Damian with 5 points already in this ball game, looking to extend his scoring tally. Elorza, kick it out. Pañares, that's target shooting. Hits that three-pointer.
Talagang nag-i-enjoy si Pañares ngayon sa game na to versus Skytrack. Gigil na gigil.
This time, Luabad gets it, kicks it. Galvez, he goes around. Just a bit too aggressive doon on the part of Edgar Ting.
Yon, batiin ko lang. Shout out 777 Precision Media Corporation. Thank you po.
We take a look at the lakas shot of the quarter, brought to you by Okada Manila. That's June Pañares drilling it from deep as Abad this time. Tough shot, heavily contested. Here comes Edgar Ting to Rica Franca. All the way for two, dumps it down last minute, but that's a steal.
Hindi pa tinira ni ano yun, Rica Franca, di ba?
Here comes Galvez, coast to coast.
Siyempre, ganun din sa Sunsport. Maraming po salamat. Siyempre, official ball natin. Pulitech, thank you po. Mr. and Mrs. Salvador. Starbomb, Sport Care, thank you po.
And they give it out. Substitution coming in. Kerabin entering the game. Galvez exiting. Sweet Lou trying to go for that steal.
Yon, Aaron, banggitin ko lang. Hotel 101 Global, thank you po. Okada, Manila.
Ayan, no, mga main sponsors natin, Boss Ray, no?
Yes, dapat napasalamatan ang mga sumusuporta sa atin.
As more substitutions dito. Rica Fuente naman papasok dito. Number 19 for this Tropang Sea Lion squad.
Isa pa yan, si Rica Puente, pag iniwan mo sa labas yan, mayroon, talagang may shooting yan.
Tough shot. That's two people in the face of June Pañares. 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining dito in our third period. Once again,
Natawan na lang si Nino Marquez doon. Kala niyo makukuha niya, kaya lang outside.
And Boss Ray, papasok na dito si Richie Melencio once again. Yun yung pinapag-usapan natin in that first half. Hihintayin natin uminit yung mga star players of this Tropang Sea Lion squad. As De Ocampo fading away and making that shot.
Ang hirap bantayan nun. Sa laki niya nun, tapos mag-fade away pa ng konti, di ba?
Wala na, Boss Ray. Kahit tumalon ka nun, di mo maaabot yung shot niya dun eh.
Totoo.
Marquez turning around. Hits nothing. Give it up, Sweet Lou. forward pass. Baarde out to Kerabin. Touch passing is good.
Ganda naman ang pasana yun, Aaron. Parang laro mo sa Lasal.
And just the chemistry, Boss Ray, no? Kitang-kita mo talaga na matagal na magkasama itong mga to.
Talagang alam mo yung enjoy nila yung game eh. Kasi alam nila kung sino papasahan, di ba?
Give it back. De Jesus wishes that two-pointer.
Iba rin yan. Si Jesus talagang pag nabigyan mo, talagang kayang-kayang miskor ng mama na yan.
And ito naman, Lou Abad taking it down para sa kanila. Binalik dito. De Ocampo. Playmaking from the post. Nice play from the big man.
Yun ang sinasabi ko, Aaron. Gumalaw ka lang, makakarating sa yung bola. Di ba? Ganyan katalas yan si Yancy Ducampo.
Parang Jokic, no, Boss Ray?
Correct.
Bibigay mo na lang, iikot na lang kayo, hahanapin ka.
Hindi yung ihinto ka na lang, pabayaan mo na lang siya. Ayaw niya nun.
Recafuente between the legs. Handoff, Pañares, corner tray. Too strong. Rebounded, Marquez. And he's heading to the line for 2 free throws.
That's his second team foul. Substitution.
That's a foul on Damian. As some substitutions, Buñales entering the game and, of course, making his debut for this Tropang Sea Lion squad. This is Richie Melencio, the former UST Growling Tiger.
Sabi niya sa akin kanina, talagang may nararamdaman siya. Kasi 5 months pa pala ang dapat niya ipahinga. Nakaka 3 months pa lang siya. Kaso talagang wala na siya magagawa, gigil na siya maglaro.
As a timeout gonna be called by the Tropang Sea Lions. Really needing a comeback. They're down by 12 points. Once again, we're coming to you live from the San Andres Sports Complex here in Malate, Manila. We're at the capital. This is our main event of the day, taking a look at the newly acquired player of Skytrack, JJ Arenzazo, in attendance in the building, getting ready to make his debut. Not today though, not yet, but soon you're gonna see him. And taking a look at Jess Eje, the team owner of Skytrack, in attendance as well.
Napakasimpleng boss ng Skytrack. Relax na relax, Aaron eh. Diba?
Tama, Boss Ray, no? And talagang relax na relax. His team is still up right now. Pero may isa pa akong gustong batiin, Boss Ray. It's Uncle James Chu and Uncle Christian Crystal and the rest of the Nichols gang all the way from Cebu City.
Wow! Happy viewing po at maraming salamat sa support sa Sinagdiga Asia.
That's Baarde getting the alley-oop to drop. Extending the lead.
Parang may spring, no? Pang!
Grabe, no? As Elorza pulling up from 3. It's nothing but board. Buñales. They fight for that ball. Melencio outside to Marquez. And that's a traveling call.
Substitution.
And Boss Ray, hirap dito makadikit ang Sea Lions. No? Every time they score, itong Skytrack palaging may sagot.
Totoo yun kasi yung rotation nila ngayon, ang ganda ng pasok ng tao. Bukod doon, lahat nagko-contribute, di ba? Itong Sea Lions naman, alam mo yung gigil na gigil kagad bumawi. Kaya tama yung sinasabi doon ni Coach Winner Breda na, alam mo yun, gawin niya yung play, kung sino yung open tira, doon sila nakakahabol eh.
As a foul gonna be called down on Alegre. 71-60 is the score. 11-point lead. 2 minutes and 35 remaining in our third period.
Alam mo yung kumpara sa nagmamadali ang Sea Lions, di ba? Mas relax sila pagka may open, tira, may tumatakbo, bigay. Kaysa yung kanya-kanya, nawawala yung play na ginagawa ni Coach Winner Buleda.
As Eric the Hook Damian exiting the ball game. Pasok dito si Romeo Fuliente. Buñales naman, he's on the line, shooting 2 free throws, missed that first one. Taking the second one in and out, 0 out of 2, and Melencio with a big grab on that board.
Grabe yung rebound ni Melencio na yun. Parang walang nararamdaman, Aaron.
Inaabangan natin itong si Melencio when he's in full health. As Rica Fuente kick it
Matic
out.
yun.
Alegre for 3. No good. Battle for that ball. Skytrack gets it. Here they come in transition. That's a 4-on-2. Boss Joel Yuga can't get it. And Alegre, the smallest guy on the court, getting that board.
Maraming papahirapan to si Milencio pag naging healthy na to. Actually, nandiyan si Bulldozer Baltasar, Nino Marquez, may Rica Puente ka pa, eto pa si Alegre. Yung mga nasa labas pa, mga big team din yan.
Alegre going through the defense, dumping it down. Milencio inside. No foul is called. He's on the ground as Baltazar this time. Grabe yung bakbakan natin dito, Boss Ray. Milencio falling to the ground after that shot.
Yun ang nakakatakot dun kasi papalakas pa itong naman to eh.
Boss Joel Yuga, 2-pointer, no good. Rebounded by Richie.
Pero ang timing niya sa bola eh, di ba? Si Richie Milencio.
Alegre this time calling it. They're down by 11. Tropang Sea Lions, they move that leather around to Baltazar facing the bucket. No good. Fuliente gets that board. Harassed by 2, but it's gonna stay with them.
Ganon kasi pag sila yung dumipensa. Kung makikita mo, dinodouble nila yung mga player.
Pero Baarde this time getting that foul call.
Hindi pa payagan ni Milencio na maka-easy 2 points si Baarte. Talagang sinamahan na ng kamay.
Ganun talaga, no? Pag mga parang playoff foul yan, Boss Ray, no? You won't give the end one. You're gonna give the free throws, but not the end one.
Yes. Parang ano eh, hindi ka pwedeng tumira sa harapan ko. Kailangan, paghirapan mo sa free throw, di ba?
And Baarde with a chance to earn it from the line. Getting that first one to drop.
Kung titignan mo Aaron yung lineup ng Sea Lions, hindi biro rin eh, di ba?
They're just having a hard time to score right now. As Coach Winnie Arboleda and the Sea Lions team need to talk it over. His team down by 13 points.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Once again, maraming salamat po sa Hotel 101 Global. One of our main sponsors dito, Hotel 101 Global, and we take a look at the standings. Of course, the Fulitech Saints still at 8-0, but right now the Skytrack Tita Rex is at 5-2 dito. Going up against this team of the Tropang Sea Lions.
Ang babakbakan sa taas, puro malalakas sa team. Pero hindi ka pwede magpasiguro dahil alam mo naman na wala basta malalaglag dito sa elimination natin. Makakaangat ka basta patuloy kang nananalo.
And Boss Ray, ang iniintay lang dito ng Sea Lions, no, pag nag-click na yung offense nila, kasi 13 points lang ito, kayang-kaya nilang habulin to.
Yes, siyempre may Nino Marquez ka, may Teng ka pa. Diba, bukod doon, nandyan yung Milencio. Actually, hindi pa pumuputok yung Rica Puente, ha?
Inside, give it up. Rica Fuente, tees it up, knocks it down.
Sabi ko lang, diba?
And back to a 10-point game, Boss Ray.
Yes, sure ball talaga yan. Kaya, iba yan pag libre. Kakanain ka yan.
Balik naman dito kay Fuliente. Man-to-man defense by the Tropang Sea Lions. Buñales out to Boss Joel. Yuga hands it off. Fuliente, three-pointer. Another one!
Ang sakit nun para si Lions. Diba, ang ganda ng depensa nila. Kaya lang, bigyan ng espasyo ni Milencio, tinira naman ni Fuliente.
Rica Fuente this time to Marquez. The floater, got it. Once again, 76-65, 11-point lead. Kirabin.
Parang simple lang kay Nino Marquez yung floater na yun. You know?
Last shot dito, 5 seconds. Kirabin, backdoor. No good, 2 seconds left. Rica Fuente's got to throw it up. He does. But he can't get that shot. That marks the end of our third quarter. The score is 76-65. The Skytrack Tito Rexes still in full control. Taking a look at some of the highlights dito. Yancy De Ocampo laying it up and in this time. A three-pointer from June Pañares, and then they move it out. Another pass, and Kaiser Galvez finishing Mr. Reliable. This time it's a two-pointer from the baseline. That's De Jesus, and then Uliente knocking it down from deep. They've got it to go. The score, 76-65. It's an 11-point lead for the Skytrack Tito Rexes squad. And let's take a look at Yancy De Ocampo tonight. He's got 13 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 assists. Picking up right where he left off in that previous matchup. Not that crazy with his numbers from last game. 25 points and 19 boards, but nonetheless, he's been playmaking for his team today. With an 11-point lead right now, the Skytrack Tito Rexes, as we give it over to Miss Flo Del Agua for a short report.
Kung si Pañares ay 10 years old, nagsimula. 13 years old naman natuto si Yancy De Ocampo ng basketball. As one of the most experienced players sa Skytrack Aviation, ika ni Yancy na nanalo ang isang koponan when they begin with an end in mind. Iba raw kasi yung gustong maglaro at iba yung gustong manalo. Aaron and Boss Ray.
Thanks for that flow. Of course, no, itong sila Yancy De Ocampo, the players as really key dito. We take a look at the quarter scoring para sa atin. 28, 25, and 23 for Skytrack. Moving on, Tropang Sea Lions, 18, 24, and 23. Once again, myself, Aaron D, alongside Boss Ray Alaw as my analyst. And on the sidelines, it's Miss Flo Del Agua as our courtside reporter making her debut here at Sinagliga Asia. But take a look at that playmaking with the tasty dish from Yancy to Abad.
Yun ang gusto mangyari ni Yancy De Ocampo eh. Pag may gagawa ng sitwasyon, kakat or mag-stay ka, malilibre ka kasi nga ang focus ng depensa nasa kanya talaga.
Alegre out to Rica Fuente. Ricky driving in, kicking out. Alegre, the fake, the shot. No good. Balik dito kay Eric Damian, and here come the Skytrack.
Ganda naman ang rebound ni Eric Damian doon.
And Lou Abad through the contact. No problem.
Ang hirap ko na Aaron ha. Para kay Lou Abad, nagawan pa rin ang paraan.
Pero ganun talaga si Lou Abad, making the hard stuff look easy inside. Outside, Milencio, too strong.
Yun, ang ganda ng laban daw, sabi ni Boy Raule or Boy Rito ng Antipolo Hills Subdivision, at siyempre ganun din kay Brian Trapani. Ang ganda daw ng game, bakbakan daw.
That's why we'd like to invite everyone. If malapit lang po kayo dito sa Manila, libreng admission po itong Sinag Lakas 40 natin. Come out to support the games, and you can see some of these legends playing dito. As Alegre's got it. De Jesus. Dump it down. June Pañares, tough shot. No good. Yancy fights for that ball, but Randall Reducto is there. Balik dito ang bola sa Sea Lions.
Yun talagang gagawin mo kay Yancy. Hindi pwedeng, alam mo yun, malambot-lambot ka sa kanya kasi baliwala lang yung effort mo. Kaya dapat talagang doblehin mo yung effort sa kanya. Matigas ka, sumabay ka, para mailang din kahit paano.
This time to give it out, Pañares. 10 seconds on the shot clock, 8 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the fourth period. Rica Fuente, baseline drive. Hits the bottom of the board, and here they come with Galvez. He's trapped. Kick it, Abad to Boss Joel Yuga, in and out. Ito na Alegre pushing it. Here comes Rica Fuente attacking Yancy. Binirik dito kay Alegre. Give it up. Reducto. Tap from behind. Babalik ang bola dito sa Tropang Sea Lions. Tingnan mo dyan, Boss Ray, yung bench nitong Skytrack.
Nang inahit si Rica Fuente doon kasi open na open siya. Hiningi niya yung bola kay Alegre.
Give it back to Alegre. 10 on the shot clock. That's a tough one. De Jesus gets it. Ricky driving inside. Free throw line. Jay, he's got it.
Mati kay Rica Fuente yung mga ganun.
7 minutes and 20 remaining. Still a 13-point game. Kayang-kaya pa rin ito, Boss Ray. Still 7 minutes.
Kita mo naman si Coach Vinny Arboleda. Relax lang. Di ba?
Outside, Sweet Lou. Kick it. Damian trying to go. Hook pass inside. Galvez hands it off. Joel Yuga still short. He wants the foul, doesn't get it. Alegre gives it to June Pañares, 2 points.
June Pañares.
Talagang laban lang si Pañares. Ang katwiran niya, hindi pa tapos eh. Tuloy-tuloy lang ako.
And they're not giving up. His team down by 11 points. They try to lob it up. Stolen. Here comes Pañares. That's a 3-on-1 fast break, but Abad gets it back. And this is gonna hurt if it goes in. But De Ocampo is there. No good. Yun nga lang, Boss Ray, nakuha ni Yancy doon, but can't make the open layup.
Parang nagulat siya sila mag-isa eh. Di ba?
Parang dapat ata bigyan tayo ni Yancy ng first dunk natin dito sa Sinag Lakas 40.
Malamang pag nalibre yan kasi nakita ko sa mga live niya, may ginawa siyang slam dunk doon.
This time, it's Rica Fuente out to De Jesus. 16 on the shot clock, 6 minutes and 20. Elorza is back in the ball game for the Sea Lions. They whip it out. Rica Fuente, the fake, the drive, the shot. That's blocked by Sweet Lou.
Magkakilala kasi yung dalawang yan, Rica Puente and Sweet Lou, kaya alam nila kung paano depensa ng isa't isa.
And Sweet Lou winning that battle. They've got 7 seconds to work with. Binalik dito, Pañares, catch, shoot, locked and loaded.
Woo! Another 3 by Pañares. Nakaturo na, Aaron eh, no?
And Boss Ray, 8 points na lang dito. Pañares leading the comeback. De Ocampo in that corner. Posting against Pañares. Whipping it inside. Kerabin. Kick. Yuga. Can he save that ball? Almost does, but that ball is going back to the Tropang Sea Lions. Take a look at this. Baarde back in the ball game para sa kanila. Damian lalabas muna.
Yes. Nakita nila kasi na 8 points na lang. So, kayang-kaya naman miss-score ni Eric Damian at dumipensa. Pero yung takbo niya nga dahil may nararamdaman din ng maman to eh. Kaya talagang parang si Richie Milencio to. Talagang basta basketball, laban lang.
Outside, Elorza. Rica Fuente. Ricky. Kicking it out, Elorza. 6 seconds left. Pañares, fake. The shot, that's rejected. 1 second. No good. De Ocampo gets it and he's fouled by Elorza.
Nanginayang si ano doon, Pañares. Ang ganda ng block sa kanya ni Baarte.
And hindi lang sa talon yun, Boss Ray, pati sa timing din.
Yes, totoo yun. Aaron.
As the timeout gonna be called by Coach Ernest Alaw and his boys. They're gonna try to stop this comeback as they're still up by 8 points.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Let's take a look at our games tomorrow for the DOJ Interagency Secretaries Cup 2025. It's the Safekeepers going up against the Sharpshooters at 6 p.m. and our second and final game, the Defenders going up against the Saviors at 8 p.m. All happening in the Paco Arena in the city of Manila. Boss Ray, bukas naman, kung ngayon dito tayo sa Lakas 40, bukas naman DOJ tayo.
Grabe, busy si Aaron D. Diba? Ang maganda doon, siyempre, yung mga binabati natin na talagang sumusubaybay sa Sinagliga siya kagaya ni Boss Marlon Hamero ng Trucking Gravel and Sand Supply. Maraming salamat po.
And as our fourth quarter is at the midway point, 5 minutes and 16 remaining. This Tito Rex's squad threatening to try and stop this run being done by the Tropang Sea Lions. But June Pañares leading the way. And itong si June Pañares, umiinit na siya in this fourth quarter, Boss Ray. As we take a look at the timeouts, 2 for the Skytrack and just 1 for the Tropang Sea Lions.
Siyempre, nabanggit mo ang DOJ. Magpapasalamat lang tayo kay ASEC, Miko Clavano at kay Secretary Rimulya.
Ayun, so shoutout din kay ASEC Miko Clavano, the brother of Marco Clavano, who's One of my friends from our high school, actually magka-alumni kami niyan. Galing din kami sa same high school. Itong sila Miko Clavano and itong sila Marco Clavano.
Talaga? Ibang klase ka talaga. A&D.
So coming from the same high school, mga South Boys, Boss Ray.
Wow.
Actually, nakakalaro ko yun sila Asek Miko, pati yung kapatid niya si Marco.
Oo, totoo yan. Si Asik Miko, mahilig talaga sa basketball. Nung una niya natin, Phil Oil Arena, di ba? Ini-stretching ni Kim Di Pedro yun. Sabi ko, Asik, mukhang gagawa ka ng 20. Mukhang magandang stretching mo sa game na to.
Talagang point guard yung laro ni Asek Miko, no, Boss Ray? As they give it to the point guard, Sweet Lou. In the corner, attacking Elorza. That's a tough one, but Kerabin flying out of nowhere.
Ang sakit naman para si Lions. Ang ganda na ng depensa nyo. Nakalimutan niyo pa ang isang Kerubin. Di ba? Kayang-kayang lumipad niyan dahil parang anggang-anggang sa kanya, di ba?
As Pañares this time to Rica Fuente. That's a steal. Yuga gets it. Kerabin in transition. 4-on-1. Give it up, Baarde. And he gets fouled by Randall Reducto.
Good foul yun para kay Reducto kasi ayaw din na ng basta-basta ng mga score. Ito ang Skytrack. Tito Rex Firewire.
And it looks like Edgar Ting is re-entering the ball game. Rica Fuente exiting.
Ganun din, siyempre, nanonood ang scoring machine ng Fire Chief. Walang iba kundi si Paul Santiago. Grabe yung ginawa na ito ng game nila versus Skytrack.
You know, one of the scorers, Paul Santiago, as we take a look at that block attempt by Randall Reducto. So si Baarde naman. Oh, pero Edgar Ting entering the three-point line just a bit too early.
Ang talas ng official natin doon. Thank you po, Combads. Grabe si Combads, ha?
And ito naman, Baarde makes no mistake with that third attempt as we take a look at the fans in attendance, the family members of the players right here in the San Andres Sports Complex. Elorza naman. Oh, dipsy-do!
Kala ko maikuha ni Elorza yun. Kung na-finish yun, highlight yun.
Trying for the highlight itong si Elorza. Pero masakit talaga ito, Boss Ray, no? Every time this tropang Sea Lions team tries for a comeback, no? May sagot palagi itong Skytrack. They always shut it down.
Totoo yun. Kasi ganoon naman talaga kailangan eh. Pagka umi-score yung Sea Lions, ito naman yung Skytrack, may bawi agad. Diba? Lalong-lalo na pag nasa loob si Yancy Di Ocampo.
As a two-pointer, that's a miss. Elorza's got it. Balik dito kay Pañares. June, they leave him open. Out to De Jesus, back to June. The give, the go, the score.
Grabe itong Pañares na to. Matang-bata.
And wanted to greet a happy birthday also to Uncle Sunny Ugalde. So happy birthday po sa inyo, Tito Sunny.
Happy birthday po, Tito Sunny.
And tingnan natin dito, Boss Ray, one more time. The give, the go, the finish by June Pañares, cutting down that lead to just 9 points. Pañares making that shot, and Boss Ray, kakayanin ba ni Pañares mag-isa itong comeback or does he need help from these boys?
Nakakatuwa lang dito kay Lorsa sa Ting. Nung pumasok sila, alam mo yun, ready sila. Kaya bumaba na yung lamang nila ng ganito. 8 points na lang, hinahabol nila.
But this time, they need to get a stop on defense. That's where they've been struggling. Kerabin hands it off, Baarde. Oh, just snatching that ball is Reducto. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Boss Joel Yuga. They can't get it. Here they come. De Jesus spinning. He needs some help. Pañares gets it back to De Jesus. Give it up. Edgar Ting all alone for 3. Hits it. That's a big shot from Edgar Ting.
Grabe, sabi ko sa'yo, pag na-open talaga yan. Kung di si Rica Puente, si Ting, talagang mga shooter.
And we're down to a 5-point lead in this fourth quarter. 3 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Here we go, Boss Ray. This is it. Tropang Sea Lions with the momentum.
Talagang sabi ng team owner, okay na yun, dumipensa ka na lang ulit, foul ka.
Pero yun nga, Baarde is heading to the line. Penalty na pala itong Tropang Sea Lions.
Huwag siya na magpakasiguro, ha? 3 minutes and 13 seconds pa yan. 5 na lang.
As Baarde getting that first free throw to drop, extending that lead to 6 points. Grabe no, Boss Ray, humahabol itong tropang Sea Lions pero sila Richie Melencio and also sila Rica Franca and Rica Fuente on the bench.
Totoo yun. Ganun ka-relax yung coach sila. Dahil alam niya na mataas pa ang oras eh. Kayang-kaya pa yan.
And De Jesus has it. Handed off. Elorza calling for that. Pañares wants it. He's got 11 to work with. He's against Baarde. That's a tough matchup. Using the pick from Reducto. Going hard to the left, throwing it up and just forcing the issue for the 2 shots.
Ang sinasabi ni Boss Yuga, rep, ninapas yung Siko. Ang sabi naman ni Pañares, pinipensahan ko lang yung bola.
But nonetheless, it's going to be Pañares heading to the line for 2 free throws. A chance to cut this lead down to 5 points once again. Pañares naman with that ball. Some clutch free throws for this number 6. He gets that first shot to go. Take a look at this once again. Yuga against Pañares. And yun nga, natamaan talaga dun si Pañares on that arm area.
Actually, yung BT ni Pañares, pagbagsak niya ng Siko, doon yung naman natamaan, pero hindi niya sinasadya. Nakita natin sa replay.
And of course, June Pañares, inadvertent hit on that as he gets that second free throw. Clutch for the
Iba na
number
lang.
6. And this is clutch time, Boss Ray. Titingnan natin if the Tropang Sea Lions can get a stop once again with Baarde going down. Boss Joel Yuga, still no good. De Jesus with a board, hounded by De Ocampo. Here comes Pañares. June, full head of steam, kicking out. Edgar Ting, outside. Reducto hits it.
Cool na cool si Reducto doon para sa 2 points na yun.
This time it's Sweet Lou. He's against the defense of Tropang Sea Lions. Going down the lane and he gets hit by June Pañares. 3-point game, Boss Ray.
Para hindi na nakakatanggap ng bola si Yancy De Ocampo, kaya sumisenya si Yancy na paabutin sa akin yung bola.
And tama yun, Boss Ray. No, in this 4th quarter, hindi masyadong nakakakuha ng bola itong si Yancy.
Totoo. Diba? So, kailangan makarating sa kanya yung bola para makapag-adjust yung tinatawag na play ng Skytrack. Tito Rex, para
And a good adjustment on the part of the coaching staff of this Tropang Sea Lions squad led by Coach Winnie Arboleda and his boys. Taking a look at Lou Abad, 16 points, an assist, and 4 steals in this ball game. Lou Abad hitting those clutch free throws. Back to a 5-point game dito. Taking a look at this once again. 88-83. Calling for that clear out. Reducto wants it against Fuliente. Facing the bucket. In and out. But they fight for that ball and it looks like it's going the way of the Skytrack.
Nanginayang si Reducto doon dahil ang ganda ng follow through niya. Kala niya 2 points na yun para sa kanila.
Less than 2 minutes remaining here in our ball game. This is the final of our triple header. Meanwhile, Yancy De Ocampo, the running hook, it's in.
Yun ang sinasabi ko. Pag nakarating kaya si De Ocampo yung bola, maraming pwedeng mangyari. May steal pa. Aaron.
And the tide shifting quickly on the side of the Skytrack. Tito Rexis, Abad has it.
Napaul po si Coach Winnie Arboleda doon. Ang laking panghinayang niya doon. 3 na lang di ba?
This time it's Sweet Lou, splits the D and gets the shot. The shot making from Sweet Lou telling the Tropang Sea Lions to hush.
Ang ganda na ng defense ng Sea Lions. Tapos bumaba ng 3. Talagang kahit sino manghinayang.
And 92-83 is the score. As we take a look, 92-83 is the score. The Skytrack Tito Rex is up in this 4th quarter.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Let's take a look at our social media pages at Sinagliga Asia on Instagram and Facebook. Before you leave this live, hit that follow and like button dun sa Facebook and Instagram namin, pati na rin sa TikTok and YouTube at Sinag Liga TV. It's so easy, just one click. We take a look at that once again. The lakas drive of the quarter. Brought to you by Hotel 101 Global. Sweet Lou splits the D. The high pickup with the offhand. The array of skills from the number 1 Sweet Lou.
Siyempre, may babatiin pa akong happy birthday, Boss James Cape. Ang pinaka-paborito ko, walang iba kundi si Boss James Cape ng Hobby Bihon. Kasama si Boss Bobby ko.
Ayun, so a happy birthday po sa inyo. As we're about to end our final ball game of the day. The score, 92-83. The Skytrack still up in this fourth quarter. A minute and 24 remaining. Once again, the name is Aaron D. And joining me is Boss Ray Alaw. And on the sidelines, it's Miss Flo Del Agua. Here we go. This is Elorza. He has it. He calls for the clear out. They give it to De Jesus. Trying to force it in there outside Elorza. Going to the left. Giving it up. Reducto. Short. Elorza skies high. And that ball, babalik ito sa Skytrack.
Nanginayang na naman si Coach Winnie doon. Ang ganda ng pinapatakbo niyang play. Hindi napakalo ang si Lion sa kanya.
Baarde this time, double teamed in that trapping zone.
Match na match to si Baarde, no? Saka si Pañares. Parehas matigas, matibay. Bukod doon, alam mo yung parehas sila na kayang-kayang maglaro kahit sino pa nasa harapan nila.
As a substitution here, Eden Navarra of Skytrack entering the ball game in this crucial moment. Yancy this time. He's against De Jesus. Babalik dito kay Yancy. You know he wants this matchup, but that's stripped from underneath. Good stop doon for the tropang Sea Lions. It's not yet over, Boss Ray.
Yes, nanginayang si Navarra doon. Nadampot niya kaso, mismo sa line niya nakuha.
They give it back here. De Jesus has it.
Grabe, nanonood ang pinaka-shooter ng Antipolo Subdivision. Walang iba kundi si TJ Aguilar. Idol ko yan. Grabe kamay niyan.
As we've got it, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Elorza, hard to the cup. But it looks like that's going to be a pass. But no, both of the teams are in penalty. So Elorza is going to be heading to the line for two. It's going to be on Teng Baarde.
Siyempre, shoutout natin ang Division 25. Division 26 Fight Club. Di ba? Walang iba yan kundi sa Tomas Murato. Mga gusto mag-MMA dyan or magpakondisyon, punta lang po kayo sa Division 26 Fight Club kay Maria Victoria. At siyempre, kay Bingbong, talagang ang gagaling ng mga coach dyan, ha? Aaron.
Ayun, Boss Ray, no? Hindi lang conditioning, pati na rin self-defense kasama na rin dyan.
Totoo yun. Di ba?
But this time, it's gonna be an inbound. Skytrack's got it. They're down. They're up by 7 points. Kerabin hounded by Edgar Ting. One-on-one in the backcourt. Edgar hounding him, double-teamed. Give it up. Baarde, kick it out to Sweet Lou. 12 seconds. He rips down. 7 seconds. Sweet Lou's got to go quickly. He goes to the right. Lobs it up to De Ocampo, but a foul is called, and that's going to be 2 free throws once again.
Matigas lang talaga rin to si Sweet Lou, eh. Pero mo, ang tigas na ng banggado ni Pañares. Talagang, alam mo yung pari, wala sa kanya.
And tingnan natin the stats of Sweet Lou. 19 points, 4 assists, and 1 steal. A complete ball game once again from Sweet Lou Abad.
Ang hirap bantayan kasi may ano ka eh. May yan si De Ocampo eh. Kaya si Pañares nag-enjoy na lang sa game niya. Pero ang laking bagay talaga nitong Pañares sa team ng Sea Lions.
Grabe talaga. Never say die itong si Pañares. As they get that ball once again. De Jesus give it back to June Pañares. Floating high, getting that shot to go. Cutting down the lead, but it looks like it's a done deal. 94-87 is the score. 7-point lead. You could see Pañares.
Talagang si Pañares lahat kaibigan niya. Eh, no? Pero pag nasa loob ng basketball court, away-away muna tayo.
Talagang no, inside the court lang, pero outside the court, magkaibigan pa din.
Yes, hindi mo si Paare sa si Panyari. Di ba? Sport naman to si Panyari. Talagang physical lang.
But that signals the end of our ball game. The score, 94-87. The Skytrack Tito Rexes having an answer for every comeback of the Sea Lion squad. And Boss Ray, no, it was an upset coming into this ball game. Ang daming bagong player ng Sea Lions pero hindi nila kinayang talunin itong Skytrack.
Talagang ganun eh. Kasi kung makikita mo, lahat ginawa na ni Coach Winnie Arboleda. Talagang yung iba lang hindi masunod yung play niya. Kaya alam ko babawi itong team na to. Pero sa tinatakbo ng lineup nila, paganda itong team ng Sea Lions.
And of course, at the end of our ball game, once again, the score 94-87. The Skytrack Tito Rexes coming out with the victory as we give it over to Miss Flo Del Agua for the Hotel 101 Best Player of the Game.
Tulad ng kanyang jersey number, he is a number 1 indeed. Sa laro na ito, our Sinag Liga Asia Hotel 101 Global Player of the Game, Lou Abad of Skytrack Aviation. Congratulations on your big win. For everyone's knowledge, si Lou ay team captain also ng kanyang koponan. I know sobrang naapektuhan ka ng pagkatalo nyo from the last game. So paano mo to ginamit na motivation to seal this win today?
Kailangan talaga bumawi. Yung composure namin nawawala pagdating sa crunch time. So yun yung gusto namin mabalik. And also last game medyo mahirap pala maghabol. So at least na-experience namin this time around. Ayaw namin na kami naman maghahabol.
Yan naman lagi ang tradition ng ating winning team. Okay lang, deserve mo naman yan ng celebration na yan. Lou, speaking of pagbawi, last game you only had 8 points without any steals. But for this game, tinriple mo halos ang iyong points. And on top of that, meron ka pang 4 na steals. Anong nagpapagana maglaro sa isang Lou Abad?
Syempre yung dedication sa family, na binibigyan tayo ng time para makapaglaro din at this age, diba? Pero at the same time, yung kailangan talaga namin bumawi. And ayaw namin to have a losing streak.
Maraming salamat, Lou. At meron ka bang gustong batiin at pasalamatan bukod sa mga pamilya mo o mga sumusuporta sa Skytrack Aviation?
Unang-una, thank you kay Lord. Kung wala siya, wala kami dito. And also to my family, Maita, Lucas, and Liam. Liam, I break. Also to our bosses, Boss Joel Yuga and Boss Jesse. And thank you, Boss Jesse, for being here today. Limutan ko na, sino ba yun? Ayun, at sa mga sumusuport sa amin, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, Lou, and congratulations again. Obviously, napakasaya ng inyong team and good luck sa inyong remaining games. Here are Aaron and Boss Ray para sa kanilang final comments.
There you have it. That was Lou Abad, the best player of the game, the Hotel 101 Global Best Player of the Game. And myself, Aaron D, joined by Boss Ray Alo, and that concludes our ball game. So Boss Ray, maraming salamat po for joining me once again in this ball game, our third ball game of the day, and hope to see you soon dito sa Sinag Liga Asia natin.
Siyempre, salamat Aaron sa time dito sa Sinag Liga Asia, lalong-lalo sa mga binati natin kanina. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Thank you po sa support sa Sinag Liga Asia. Grabe pinakita ng both teams, itong Skytrack, Tito Rex Firewire, ganoon din ang Sea Lions. Kung makikita mo, iba na yung mga player ng Sea Lions, tapos nandiyan pa si Coach Winnie Arboleda, pero hindi rin patinag itong Skytrack, Tito Rex Firewire. Kaya congratulations po sa lahat ng team dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Ganoon din po, bukas maglalaro uli si Lou Abad sa DOJ Interagency. Kaya congratulations sa ating lahat dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Lahat ng mga staff, crew ng Sinag Liga Asia, ganoon din siyempre ang mga Deputy Commissioner natin, Commissioner Rodi Santos, Chairman Rocky Cham, Coach Leo Isaac, mabuhay po kayong lahat, Direk Nomar Santiago, at lahat ng staff natin dito. Thank you po and God bless sa ating lahat.
And you heard it right there from Boss Ray. See you tomorrow doon sa DOJ natin. But for now, the final score, 94-87. The Skytrack Aviation coming out with a victory against the Tropang Sea Lions. And on behalf of myself, Aaron D, alongside Boss Ray Alao, and of course our courtside reporter, Miss Flo Del Agua, including the entire team behind the scenes, including Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Botet Toa, and the countless others in the production. Maraming salamat po, and we hope supporting Sinag Liga Asia. A good night to everyone.